First time working with Drogo.
Take off.
चेहरा के जिसकी खूबसूरती मांग पड़ी हो ऐसा मैं दरिया जो बहना ना चाहे जो तू नहीं तो ऐसा मैं चेहरा के जिसकी खूबसूरती मांग पड़ी हो ऐसा मैं दरिया.
Landed Drogo for the first time. I was super scared because I don't want to crash the drone. We don't have the money to buy another. But I love Drogo. Drogo is family. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Me and my team just thought of an amazing idea for YouTube intro, and for the same we took a small shot of a metro, but now you cannot see any metro. Today we are gonna structure of whatever we wanna do in YouTube and for all the accounts. I did not do a structured day since a very long time. Basically it's a day where I schedule everything that I wanna do for the upcoming week or month, and we are gonna have goals that we are gonna achieve. So it's gonna be really good. Drogo's gonna come. Come Drogo, come. Oh, that was so gentle. I love Drogo so much. Anyways, we are actually gonna go out to be more productive because since 3 years I've been working just in a single room, and it's really important for us to explore so that our brain can actually explore and just so that we can be so much more productive. And yeah, let's go. I'm really excited. It's gonna be a really good day of working. I know that. I can feel it. Bye Drogo. Bye from Drogo too. Bye. He's really hot. For real. I mean, pun intended. Hot. You see? There's Metro. Metro! Okay, so we're on the way, guys. Like I previously told you, I'm actually thinking of going and sitting in a cafe to work. And I thought it would rain, but it isn't raining, so it's a good day. Oh my god, look at that! I'm so happy that I got my liner on point. Plus, my outfit and my lipstick are matching. Totally unexpected. Since I don't usually have many shades of lipsticks. This is my sister's that I borrowed. I always steal her stuff. What are sisters for?
Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been tested so much, all these restless nights, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate.
Let's get to work. Let's get to work. That's what we came here for. I hope the audio is visible.
When I touch the ground, in front of A to Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know that. I'm hot now. They say life's a game. You gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble. You gotta roll the dice.
This fish is delicious. It's like protein. What's that over there?
The whole world know my name off a mixtape. I still got the same brothers since 6th grade. G-Wagon red.
I told her even this. I pitched her about other thing also. I was like, if you ever need off from making 0 rupees to making 30,000 rupees per month is also good enough, right? As a startup. So what you just told about the no. It's not even 13. If you think about it, it's 14 years. and every business will have a period where you're taking off. It's until you take off you have to work really hard. But if we use our cards the right way, we can take off really easily. I mean, we can take off much sooner than we expect. So let's do that. Okay, so we came here and we did come up with a few ideas for business, and I cannot reveal what those ideas exactly are, but we are up to a good start. And if you ever think of coming to a different place, like if you ever think of going to a different setting in order to be productive, you should surely do it. It doesn't matter which place it is, big or small. You can go to a park and work. Whichever place you feel like at peace, you should go to that place to work. And also, I read this book called Hyperfocus, in which it said that if you go to a noisy place, you're more likely to put all your focus on one thing, on whatever you're doing, especially if it's your work. And I've tried it plenty of times before reading the book, and I observed it especially after reading the book. The pattern, the human behavior is actually similar to that, where we work better in noisy environments because we want to focus on one thing alone. If it's too quiet, then we easily get distracted because it's too quiet and we cannot, like, our monkey brain takes over. But if it's too noisy, you try to know what you're working on, you try to put all your focus into one thing. So I think it's one way where you will win, and you should try reading the book, plus you should also try going to a different environment to work, because you'll feel so much more productive and you will be productive for real. I think it's a very beautiful day. It was a good day today. I know the vlog was really short, mostly because I was working all the time and I did not get much time to film while I was working. So yeah, I'll be going and I'll take a few night shots while going. I don't know how it's gonna be outside. I hope it doesn't rain. It has become rainy season real quick. Let's go. It's a very beautiful night. Let's go. I haven't seen Hyderabad this empty in so long. It's been like years. I love how peaceful it is right now. Saw the thing so beautiful. The only time you can do this in Hyderabad is in the middle of the night. In the middle of the night. Okay, I got scared. Route aim kanipistundi route lo. Beautiful, beautiful. Hyderabad, beautiful only when it's calm in the night. I mean, this is the nicest scenery you can see in Hyderabad. Otherwise, it's even more crowded usually. Yeah, that's Secretariat, all right. I keep seeing it every single day. Wow, white. Arey వాళ్ళు ఎందుకురా ఎన్నిగానం white swans ఎగురుతున్నాయి? Swans, I mean, I don't know if they are swans. I mean, but this cutie's angle is. Okay, so since I was too caught up with all the work, I haven't been walking in a while, and the roads were really empty. It was so beautiful, so I thought I'll just take a quick walk, a 2-minute, 3-minute walk, 5-minute if possible, and then yeah, take a quick walk and we'll go home. It's like 1 in the night. It's midnight. For a few it's AM, for a few it's PM. Okay, for me it's PM.
One eternity later.
Okay, so my walk did not even last 30 seconds. It was interrupted by dogs barking, and they're protecting their territory. It's not so friendly at nights with dogs, I guess. Can you hear him shout? You know, I look really different today, and guess why? Just comment down below why you think I look so different today. Padda Okay guys, I reached home and it was a very short video, unexpected one that I filmed, and it was a very laid back chill vibe. If you like the video, then do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because we are gonna have fun. And yeah, that's it for the day. Good night you guys, and good morning if you're watching in the daytime. I am home. Let's go. Bye bye.